So we're told that we have a square courtyard, okay, and we don't know the length of the sides of the square courtyards. But because it's a square, okay, they're all equal to each other in length, so I'm going to call them A. What we are given, however, is that the diagonals of the courtyard are 42 meters long. So this first diagonal here will be 42 meters long. We are asked to find the perimeter of the courtyard. So the perimeter here is equal to 4 plus A plus A plus A plus A, or simply equal to 4A. So obviously to find the perimeter, we need to find A. Now, because the courtyard is a square, that triangle, if you look at this triangle here, is going to be a right angle triangle. Okay, and we can use Pythagorean to find A. So 42 squared, which is the hypotenuse within that triangle, will be equal to A squared plus A squared. 42 squared will be equal to 2 times A squared. Okay, and I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate A. Okay, so we're going to have 42 squared divided by 2, and that's going to be equal to A squared. And A will be equal to the square root of 42 squared divided by 2, as such. I'm going to punch that into my calculator. Obviously, I can't do that by hand, or it's going to be very tedious. So 42 squared divided by 2, and take the square root of that number, and we get a value of 29.70 meters. So the perimeter will be 4 times 29.70. So let's multiply that by 4 to get a final perimeter of 118.79 meters.